800-point question. So this is the last question in the first semifinal. Here we go, for 800 points. Pictured in that diagram there is a parallelogram, that's kind of in gray, with isosceles right triangles constructed upon each side as indicated. So the boxes are indicating the right angle are in two of them, and then they will be in the same place on the other two. And they're supposed to be right triangles, even they might not look like perfect right triangles. We're going to let A be the area of the parallelogram, and let T be the total area of the four triangles. Which of the following is true? A is equal to T for any parallelogram. If A is equal to T, then the parallelogram is a rectangle, but need not be a square. If A is equal to T, then the parallelogram is a square, or none of the above is true. Any questions about the diagram or the question? All right, we'll see how this probably will decide the game. We'll see how question 8 went for 800 points. 4 people got it right, very good. If A is equal to T, then the parallelogram is a square, that's right. So I can see why you might ask about that, Rutgers, with the diagram, because we didn't get it perfectly, but they are isosceles triangles, probably not even close to perfectly. And so 4 people got it right, and it looks like the people who were tied first, they were nodding and they're smiling, so they might be included in that 4, but we'll see the score anyway. So the final standing from Semifinal One, amazingly close game. So Sham and Raj tied for first at 2,700, Rutgers at 2,600 right behind, Alan at 2,100, and Richard at 400. So Sham and Raj will stay on stage. We have to do a tie-breaking question. I'll come congratulate. How about a nice hand for all 5 contestants? And you can see that these are experienced math competition people because they're already touching the buzzers that they need to signal in, and they'll be writing with their right hand, signaling with their left hand. So what we'll do, this is one, just like in the finals, this is a time where speed does count. So it'll be we have to break the tie, and so this will be a time where, the first person to get it correct will be the person who wins the tiebreaker. And how we'll do it is, so they'll signal in with the buzzer now and not with the remotes. And when the question comes up, they can signal in at any time. They don't have to wait for me to read it, and it'll boil down to the first person to get it correct. And so I'll read the question and the choices, and then someone will hit the buzzer, and then I'll need the answer immediately. I'll ask, let's suppose Sham hits the buzzer. I'll say, Sham, what's your answer? If that answer is correct, then he wins the tiebreaker. If it's incorrect, then Raj will have 60 seconds to answer the question. If he gets it correct, then he wins the tiebreaker. If he doesn't, then both contestants can signal in again, probably not for the 2 that were just eliminated, but for any of the others that remain. Any question about how it's going to work, Sham or Raj? All right, all set? Okay. A coin is tossed until 2 consecutive tosses are heads. If a sub n over 2 to the n is the probability of first getting 2 consecutive heads on tosses n minus 1 and n, then for n bigger than or equal to 4, a sub n is, or equals, n minus 2, a sub n minus 1, that quantity over 2, 2 times a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 1 plus 2 to the n minus 1, or a sub n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2. You both understand the question? All right, so Sham.
E,
a sub n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2? That is correct. Sham, you win the tiebreaker. That's pretty exciting enough. So we'll be in the finals. Raj, that was very exciting. I'm sorry you didn't win, but I hope you had fun. Did you have fun? Good. You did a good job, and Sham, don't leave town, because we need you for the finals.